student. I myself Vidyadhar Giri, and I am going to explain about the 10th class ICSE chemistry. First of all, I am going to explain about the books. ICSE chemistry book for the study. Afterward, workbook. What is the use of the workbook? In workbook, when teacher finish one chapter of your book, then you have to find out the answer of the question of the first chapter from the workbook. Third one, lab manual. Lab manual, in that what experiment you are going to do in the lab, about that experiment you have to write in the lab manual. Afterward, I have written first one what is a chemistry. Then what is the chemistry? First I am going to define what is the chemistry. It is the branch of science in which we study about the matter, its composition means composition of the matter, its properties. Property means both physical and chemical properties. Fourth one, its preparation and reaction with other substances. Now, I am going to discuss about the branch of chemistry. What are the branch of chemistry? I have mentioned here. First one, physical chemistry. Second one, just you notice here, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, biochemistry, and practical chemistry. That is called analytical. Means what you are doing in the lab, that related to your analytical chemistry. Now, which chapter you are going to study in ICSE chemistry? The chapter I have mentioned here. First one, periodic table. First one, periodic table. You are familiar about this chapter from the 9th class. Second one, chemical bonding. That chapter is very interesting chapter, and in this chapter you will study about how compounds are going to be formed, either covalent compound, ionic compound, or coordinate compound. Next one, third one, acid, base, and salt. And B, analytical chemistry. Again, analytical chemistry, that is, you have to find about the color, reaction, nature of the reaction, observation, that is related to analytical chemistry. Mostly, you easily find the observation in the lab. I think that in your class, the reaction of salt with the ammonium hydroxide solution and sodium hydroxide solution. Fourth one, mole concept. Next, fifth one, electrolysis. Sixth one, metallurgy. Afterward, compounds. In compounds, you are going to be study about hydrogen, preparation of hydrogen chloride gas, hydrochloric acid, ammonia, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid by contact process. Now, this just a short introduction about the chapter, what you have to study and what you have to do in the lab. Okay. Afterward, I am going to give some question that you have studied in the 9th class. 9th class, one chapter that is called language of chemistry. In that chapter, one valency chart is given. And this is a small homework for the student. Whatever the valency chart given, in that positive radical and negative radical, just you revise that one. Once you revise, easily you find the valency of the positive radical and negative radical. That is a 9th class portion. Some one chapter is that. Some definition also related to lower classes like atom, elements, molecule, radical, ion, compounds. This definition please you try to find out and remember. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about valency. What is the valency? In lower class you have studied just valency, valency, valency. I'm going to explain what is the valency. You have already studied. The combining capacity of an element is known as valency. But other definition or other question is coming. What is the combining capacity? My answer, what is the valency? The combining capacity of the elements are known as valency. What is the combining capacity? For that, you have to study first electronic configuration. That is also given in the chapter 9th class, atomic structure. In that chapter, you will find the few definition. Just you write. Okay, if you want to write the term atom, afterward atomic number, mass number, and electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? Arrangement of the electron in the different cell is known as electronic configuration. Afterward, just two words I have given, just atomic Z. This is symbol of atomic, just student, atomic number. This A, this symbol of atomic mass. This definition already you remember from the 9th class book. So I am not going to focus about the symbol. About Z means atomic number, atomic mass. I am going to just give a short introduction about electronic configuration. Before that, I want to explain about the element. What is the element? The definition from 6th standard. An element is a pure substance which can't be broken or split up two or more type of simpler substances. Then about the classification of the elements, that I am discussing about whatever given in the up to 9th class or 8th class. Classification of the elements. Element can be classified in 4 groups: metal, non-metal, metalloid, and noble gases. Dear my student, please just you revise whatever you study. Only one more chapter, 2 chapter I am giving. Language of chemistry. In that only valency chart. Second one, atomic structure chapter. Only focus about the definition. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.